Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Christmas half term, Autumn 2. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher, and I am proud of all of you. We know what we're aiming for at Grange. We want all of us to be caring. We want to be trying our best. We want to be learning. And even if we make mistakes, we learn from our mistakes. We want to be improving and making progress. We want to use our learning to help us to make great choices in our lives, and we want to never give up. So today, I just want to talk about true strength. So when we think about who is somebody who's really strong and how can we each become stronger? Well, a lot of times we think about physical strength, and that means the strength of your body. But I want to talk about something called character strength. So that's not just the strength of your body, that's the strength of your character, who you really are. Physical strength, well, it helps you when you've got physical challenges, and physical strength, it helps you if you've got a physical battle. So if it's a boxing match or if it's a wrestling match or something like that, well, you need physical strength for that. But character strength, that helps you to overcome any challenge in your life. If you're struggling with anything, if you use your character strength, you can overcome any challenge and you can win any battle in the end. And that we call character strength, who you really are, your character. Each of us has a character, and we can make our characters really strong, making great choices and doing the right thing. So last half term we spoke about wisdom, because we said wisdom really helps us to grow our character. And if you remember, we spoke about wisdom. We said wisdom is really thinking about everything you know, everything you've been through in your life, every bit of knowledge, every bit of experience, even the mistakes you made. If you think and think and think, and then you decide what to do, well, that is wisdom. So we also said that wisdom, you can improve your wisdom and grow your wisdom if you love learning. So if you've got an opportunity and you're sitting in a class and you've got your teacher in front of you and your educator in front of you, and you make up your mind, I love learning, I'm committing to learning, well, that'll help you to grow your wisdom. And also if you're a curious person, so you're interested in all sorts of things. Maybe you're interested in animals. Maybe you're interested in geography. Maybe you're interested in reading. You might be interested in all sorts of things. So if you are curious, you say, I want to learn and know more about these things. That helps you to grow your wisdom. But today, I wanted to talk about courage. What does courage actually mean? So you might have heard this word, courage. You might have heard people using the word brave. You say somebody has bravery, or somebody's very, very brave. If they're very, very brave, it means they've got lots of courage. They are going to have a go even if they're scared, because they're brave and they've got courage. So what does courage mean? You could stop the video here and have a discussion with your teacher, your educator. I'll tell you what I think courage means. These are just my thoughts. I think if you are willing to learn new things, if you're not afraid to have a go, that takes real courage. Because sometimes people say, oh, I'm not really good at this. I don't really want to learn more about it. I'm not good at it. Or they say, I don't want to have a go. Maybe I won't be good. And then I'll be all scared. But if you have courage, you say, yeah, it's new. I'm not sure if I'll be so good at it the first time I try, but I'll have a go and I'll learn. That takes real courage, and that really helps you build your character. Courage can also mean taking your time to make up your mind. Like some people say, oh, I really love football, and you're not sure. Do I like football? Do I not like football? And you say, you know what? I'm going to take my time. Just because my friends say they love it doesn't mean I have to love it. I can decide what I like. I can decide what my thoughts are. So taking your time to make up your own mind, respect other people's opinions, but taking your time to make up your own mind, that takes courage. Learning from your mistakes. So let's say you made a horrible mistake. It's so embarrassing. But if you say, I'm going to be brave, let me think about it. When did it go wrong with that mistake? What can I do next time to not make that mistake? Or what can I do next time now that I know what happened with that mistake so that I can do better? That takes real courage and bravery. And also, saying sorry and starting again. That is such a brave thing to do. Sometimes you realize, oh my gosh, I did something that's so bad. I should just really say sorry, but I'm a bit scared. I'm a bit embarrassed to say sorry. But if you go and say, I'm really sorry, I'd like to start again, that takes real courage. I've put a new CC award on class charts for courage, and maybe teachers and educators. If you see a child having real courage, maybe saying sorry, starting again, you can give some points for courage. So here's some courage actions you can do to really grow your character and be strong. You can say, I'm going to do my best. You're not worried what anybody else says. I'm going to do my best. You can be ready to forgive yourself and to forgive others. So let's say somebody does something mean or horrible, but then you see they're sorry. You say, I forgive you. Let's start again. That is really powerful. And you can be confident. You can say, yeah, I care about myself and I look after myself. I want to have a nice life. I want to be confident. That's great, powerful courage actions. You know the CC way, lining up really nicely. That's great character strength because you're ready and you're focused, and that means you're going to have a great experience in your learning or anything you're doing. CC walking, that makes our school so great because you are saying, I care about myself. That's your hand on your heart, but you also say, I care about our school. And if our school is great, then each one of us inside it enjoys it even more. So CC walking helps everybody else, but also helps each of us have a great time at school. So the stars of the week. So this was the half-term week, the week before the half-term, just before. So well done to Zane. Well done, Zane. Proud of you. And this should be a blessing for you that you have a great half-term ahead and be an inspiration for lots of people to get gold. So last half-term, the House of Water got 12,082 points. The House of Fire got 11,808 points, whopping big numbers. House of Air got 10,738 points. House of Earth, most points, 12,933 points. Huge. And that means that all of us together as a Grange community, we got 47,561 CC points last half term, which is absolutely brilliant. And I've set us a target for ourselves. Let's see, for this half term coming before Christmas. Well, we got in the last half term 47,500 plus points. Let's see if we can get 50,000 points. That'd be an absolute record-breaking feat. And I just wanted to say thank you to Freddie for visiting us last half term. That was our reward for such great class charts, CC points earning. And this half term, we've got our 50,000 target, but we're working towards a visit from real live reindeer for Christmas. So do your bit, have courage, be your best, be a great Grange CC learner. And I'm looking forward to Christmas already. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy, Grange children. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. It is so brilliant to be with all of you. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.